Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to map orders on DSers. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever had trouble mapping orders on DSers? So you're not alone. Many people find this process to be confusing and time-consuming. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to map orders on DSers in just a few simple steps. What is DSers? Before we get into the steps, let's take a quick look at what DSers is. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress suppliers. This makes it easy to dropship products from AliExpress without having to manually create product listings or manage inventory. Why is it important to map orders on DSers? When you map orders on DSers, you're telling the platform which AliExpress order corresponds to which Shopify order. This is important because it allows DSers to automatically fulfill your Shopify orders. If you don't map your orders, DSers won't know how to fulfill them. This can lead to delays in shipping and customer dissatisfaction. How to map orders on DSers. Now that we know why it's important to map orders on DSers, let's get started on the process. Step 1. Go to the Orders page in DSers. To get started, log in to your DSers account and go to the Orders page. Step 2. Click on the Map Orders button. Once you're on the Orders page, click on the Map Orders button. Step 3. Select the orders you want to map. On the Map Orders page, you can select the orders you want to map. You can select multiple orders at once by holding down the Shift key. Step 4. Click on the Map button. Once you've selected the orders you want to map, click on the Map button. Step 5. Enter the AliExpress order number. On the Map Order dialog box, enter the AliExpress order number for the corresponding Shopify order. Step 6. Click on the Save button. Once you've entered the AliExpress order number, click on the Save button. Step 7. Repeat steps 5 and 6 for all of the orders you want to map. Repeat steps 5 and 6 for all of the orders you want to map. Step 8. Click on the Close button. Once you've mapped all of the orders you want to map, click on the Close button. Mapping orders on DSers is a simple process that can save you a lot of time and hassle. By following the steps in this video, you can easily map your orders and ensure that your Shopify orders are fulfilled correctly. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on dropshipping. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video on how to map orders on DSers. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video on dropshipping. Until then, stay tuned.